Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to save notes on your iPhone instead of iCloud. So by default many iPhones saves notes to iCloud so they automatically sync across Apple devices. However, if you prefer keeping your notes only on your iPhone, then first open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to bottom and click on Apps. Then within the list of apps find Notes and click on it. Now on the Notes app settings page, scroll down and turn on the toggle right to on my iPhone. And from now on, any notes you saved inside the on my iPhone folder will stay only on your iPhone and won't be synced to iCloud. So you just need to open the Notes app on your iPhone. From there you can access on my iPhone folder. You can access right at the bottom, and within this folder if you add any note, it only appear on your iPhone. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.